to Measuring Perimeter and Area Ninja Edition with Big&LittleRascals team. Ganbate! Let's go! Hey Ninja! Do you know what is the perimeter of a square shape? Okay, first let's see what is perimeter. Perimeter is the sum of all length of all sides around a shape. Perimeter is one-dimensional because it only sums up all length of all sides of a shape until back to your starting point. Let's first investigate this square shape. This square shape has 4 equal lengths of sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. In this square, each side length is 4 meters long. So what is the square's perimeter? Four plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals to 16 meters. Or if we use multiplication, then 4 sides of 4 meters equals to 4 multiplied by 4 meters equals to 16 meters. So the formula for square shape perimeter is 4 times side length. Great work, Ninja! But how about this shape? It's a rectangle. Rectangle also has 4 sides, but only the opposite sides are equal length. So this rectangle's perimeter is 2 plus 2 plus 5 plus 5 equals to 14 meters. Or when we put into the rectangle's perimeter formula is 2 multiplied by its length plus 2 multiplied by its width, or its length plus its width. Then we multiply it by 2 equals to 2 plus 5 equals to 7 and multiplied by 2. So it equals to 14 meters. Yay! Great work! Now we have learned about how to calculate perimeter of square and rectangle shapes. Ninja, you did a good job! Hi!